Today I'll walk you through how to hide table borders in Google Docs even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to remove those borders so you can create a cleaner, more professional looking document. Let's dive right in. The first step is to click on the border of the table you want to edit. This action selects the entire table, allowing you to make changes to its appearance. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different, as Google Docs updates frequently. Once you have the table selected, the next step is to click on the specific part of the border that you want to edit. This could be the top, bottom, or side border of your table. By selecting a specific border, you can customize it further. Take your time with this step as it's important to ensure you're editing the right border. Now, let's move on to the third step. Click on the border width option in the toolbar. This option allows you to adjust the thickness of the border lines. Think of it like adjusting the width of a pencil line when drawing. Finally, the last step is to click on the option that says 0 points or 0 PT. This action effectively removes the border, giving your table a clean look without any visible lines. It's totally normal if this takes a moment, so be patient as you make these adjustments.
There you have it. You've successfully hidden the table borders in Google Docs.
This simple adjustment can make a significant difference in the overall presentation of your document. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.